Hi, this is just a quick little video to show you how to get your school laptop connected to your internet at home. So what you'll be looking for down here is a little button like that. That is your Wi-Fi button. You'll click on it. You'll need to talk to your parents to make sure they will tell you what the password is to your Wi-Fi. So you would see the list of everything that is available. Like for instance, we have a couple at our house that you can connect to. See, I disconnected it so that I can show you how to connect it. You probably have this right now at the bottom, and it's probably saying airplane mode, which is right. Wi-Fi. Okay, then choose one of the Wi-Fis that is within your house. Like this right here, I happen to know is one of my neighbors. This is another one of my neighbors. But this one, and this one are all my house internet. So I can click on one of them and click connect or connect automatically, either one. Hopefully it doesn't say that. I'm not sure why is mine saying that right now. It should go through a thing. It'll probably ask you what the password is, and you'll have to type in the password, and that's how you do it.